Alright guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again. Today this is going to be a bit of a different video, and also I have to show you my light setup here. I'm sitting at the kitchen table. It's absolutely lashing rain. We're after having 3 storms in a row. This is the 3rd one coming in now. So I wanted to do a video on my GoPro Hero 7 chin mount setup. Also, this is semi-waterproof for this here, but I'll show you that in a minute. So my helmet is a HAC RPHA 11. It's a sporty helmet. It's not, really designed for stuff like this, but I wanted to show you my mic setup, my adapter, and my chin mount setup as well, because I think my chin mount setup came out really nice. Now, before anyone says it, you can actually buy special made chin mounts for this helmet from Chin Mounts themselves. That's the name of the company, and they actually sell a chin mount that goes on here. This is my setup. I've been using it for a while now and I really like it. So first of all, I'm going to go into the helmet. So as you can see with my amazing light, like, look at this bad boy, it's beautiful. You can see from my amazing light I have a purple Panda mic. Is there a thingy on here? I thought there was something on here just to say it's purple Panda, but it's a purple Panda mic. And I have my mic adapter set up on this side, and this can all be taken off. The Subaru can be taken off, everything can be taken off. So I have the purple Panda mic on the right hand side of my helmet, just sticking out of my cheek pad. You can see it there, just sticking out. I'm actually going to stick it just behind the cheek pad to see if I can get the audio any clearer. So it kind of just sticks out a tiny bit there. And then I have the mic ran all the way up into my helmet. It's all pushed up in the back here, so you can remove this panel here and it all goes in behind there. And then I have my, there we are, I have my mic here, and then this is needed for the GoPro adapter, so that just gets tucked in up there and it doesn't get removed. Then to the GoPro adapter itself, again I have the adhesive on this. I also have a bit of Subaru, if it wants to focus. Are you going to focus? Oh, focus. There we are. So I have a bit of Subaru over the USB port here, because when I have it off the when I take my camera out, like, I don't have this attached. So this is just to make sure that no water gets in here. And then obviously my mic will plug straight into the side. This just gets lined up fairly basic, like this. Sorry, I'm using one hand, and because my actual DSLR is, and that's it in. As you can see, it's fairly neat and tidy as the adapters go. With, it's not too bad. I do want to invest in the case that you can put the adapter either at the bottom or at the top. I'll get that eventually. Onto the camera then itself. I done a video age ago on my Hero 4 Black about waterproofness. So the Hero 7 Black comes waterproof out of the box, except when you go and plug a mic adapter in, then you lose all your waterproofness. So as you can see, I have a bit of Subaru just over the port, and it just creates a nice seal around the mic adapter. So then onto my chin mount. So you can see my mount itself is just a standard GoPro curve mount, which is put on just at the bottom, and then I have Subaru all the way around it. Now this has been on for probably about a year and a half, and it's not coming off. The Subaru is amazing. I should actually say this is not Subaru. This is Loctite's version of Subaru. Can't get Subaru in Ireland anymore for whatever reason. That light's flickering. But this is just a Loctite version. It's the exact same product as Subaru, but it's Loctite, and it's amazing. It does a really good job. That's how that's put onto my helmet. As you can see, like, it's tidy enough. It looks ugly like that, but once you put the camera over it, like, you're not seeing anything. And then as for my case setup, I have I don't know what this is called, but I call it like a straight through. So it's where both sides is the exact same. It's straight, goes onto the standard case, and then I just have a U-clip, a U-mount if you call it, attached to the bottom of it. And then when I want to take my camera out, all I do is unscrew this one. And I should say this is actually at the furthest back point that the camera will move. So this is like, let's see if I can get into the light a little better. This is so close to the screen, but it's actually not on the screen at all. So this will not hit the screen at all, so I have no issues with it being damaged. This will not move back any further. It won't move forward any further because I have the screw on it, which at the moment is very tight. I can't do it with one hand. So I just said that I'd show you the way it works anyway. Like, that's it. It's really straightforward. So as you can see, it moves. Ah, my finger! Sorry to do one hand. So this is as far back as it's going to go, and then I can move it forward, undo the the top of the camera, take the camera out, and it's perfectly fine. I'll put it on the helmet now just so you can see what the whole setup itself looks like. So this is a setup when it's actually on the camera. Now you can see the mount, like it's fairly tidy. Like you can see it's a good seal around there. That's from the back. It's a really tidy, simple setup. I didn't want to go into too much detail because it actually is very straightforward. And you can see like that's perfectly straight, it's perfectly centered. You can see from my videos it's perfectly chin mounted, perfectly chinned. Yeah, look guys, that's the video. I just wanted to show you this. I'm going to do another video as well about my GoPro settings, and just so you can, if you want to copy my settings to get the good quality I have. I'm not saying I have the best quality, but I just have really good quality. It sounds really boasting, but no, as you can see, it's a nice, clean, simple setup. I do want to change where this goes and just put it like under here. But this is on my helmet, this is the flattest part that I can make a good connection with the whole mount, because the mount's flat, the helmet's curved. So guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. For whatever reason, the camera decided it wanted to shut off. Thankfully I didn't lose everything. That would have been an absolute nightmare. But like, that's a very simple GoPro chin mount setup with the Hero 7 Black with the mic adapter. And you know, check out my channel for my actual videos. You can see how good my quality is, how the camera looks and how the camera sounds. Keep an eye on my channel for my GoPro settings video that I'm going to be doing very soon. But that's the video. Hope I've enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Talk to you on the next video.